Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Pink color, purple color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, black color, red color, green color, yellow ochre color, and gray color. It's now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. It's now you draw B and use red color. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. It's now you draw F and use yellow color. F for fish. G for god. H for helicopter. It's now you draw I and use purple color. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use pink color. J for joker. It's now you draw K and use black color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. It's now you draw N and use gray color. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. It's now you draw Q and use yellow ochre color. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S and use green color. S for sun. It's now you draw T and use orange color. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. It's now you draw W and use black color. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. It's now you draw Z and use blue color. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use orange color. 1. It's now you draw 2 and use red color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's now you draw 7 and use yellow color. 7, 8, 9. It's last you draw 10 and use purple color. 10, TE and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.